Night cream is quite push. Hello guys! Today, I will be sharing one of my favorite brands na talagang binabalik-balikan ko. It suits my oily, acne-prone skin. Aside from that, mababa lang ang presyo. And I am very proud to say that this product is from Mindanao. Another review of SY Glow's not so new product. Hindi ko pa po ito na-try. Ang ating pag-uusapan is their SY Glow Glass Skin Set 7 Days Whitening Challenge. Matagal ko po ito siyang nagamit, not only 7 days, but I used this for a month now. This is the packaging. Mother Lou is really a pink fanatic because lahat po ng kaniyang packaging ay meron talagang pink. Si Mother Lou ay isang Barbie princess. So, yan ang ating makikita on the side, the logo, the back part. We will see the directions on how this will be used, precautionary measures, the storage condition, and where are the other social media accounts of SY Glow. This glass skin rejuvenating set comes along with a glass skin soap, glass skin toner, glass skin whitening day cream with SPF 40, glass skin night cream with niacinamide and vitamin E. Use it daily for a month consecutively and it will help whiten your face, tightens your pores, removes whiteheads and blackheads, as well as other forms of acne, removes any melasma, fine lines, acne, warts, controls pimples and oily skin. Hydroquinone-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and retinoic acid-free. Ang iniwan ko lang talaga ang packaging. Mas naunang naubos ang soap kesa yung toner, day cream, and night cream. Napakasimple ng kanyang packaging. Perfume-like scent. This glass set is not using a Kojic soap, but the whitening soap na pink and white. Ito po ang kanilang toner. As you can see, for almost a month, ito na lang ang naiwan. Everyday ko po siyang ginagamit. Wala po akong ibang brand na nilalagay sa mukha ko. Only this, clear white. Wala kang mababango na amoy. Super clear. The day cream, ito po ang kanyang packaging. It says here that this is SPF 40, maintain skin's moisture, protects skin against sunburn, keeps skin hydrated. This is, by the way, 10 grams. Meron siyang lid. Pink ang kulay niya. Kahit konti lang po ang ilalagay natin is you are sure that you are protecting your skin against sun's rays. SY Glow Glass Skin Night Cream, also in 10 grams. It has niacinamide and vitamin E. This protects against pollution and dryness during nighttime. Enhance repair by amplifying cell turnover. Soothe and hydrates skin. Ang kulay naman ito is white. Meron din siyang lid. Ito na lang din po ang naiwan for almost a month of using. Perfume-like ang bango niya. During nighttime, pag gamitin mo siya, glossy ang skin mo, but not so thick. Hindi siya masyadong mabigat sa mukha. Pagising mo sa umaga, you can really feel and touch the dewy skin you have because of its moisturizing and hydrating effect. I forgot to mention the scent of the day cream is similar on the pink sunscreen of Mother Lou. So directions for use: you have to use the glass skin soap in the morning and night as maintenance soap to achieve your desired lighter skin. For faster result, lather the soap to the skin and leave it up to 3 minutes. The glass skin toner, you can use this after washing your face with soap. Apply the glass skin toner on your face with a cotton pad to remove any impurities and residues. To apply, moisten the cotton with a few drops of the toner so that it is damp but not soaked. Begin with the center of your face and gently sweep the cotton pad outward. Glass Skin Night Cream. After cleansing your face with the glass skin toner, take a small amount of cream using the tips of your finger. Carefully massage it to your skin, starting with the center of your face outward. Make small circular movements to help the cream penetrate your skin and stimulate the skin cells. Glass Skin Whitening Day Cream with SPF 40. After using the Glass Skin Toner, apply ample amount to your face and neck at least 30 minutes before sun exposure to achieve maximum protection. Reapply if needed. Precaution: always do the patch test before applying to the skin. Avoid sun exposure without applying the Glass Skin Whitening Day Cream with SPF 40. Stop using the product immediately if any irritation occurs. I will share my experience while using this Glass Skin set because ang una ko pong na-try for the skincare set is the rejuvenating set. By the way, this Glass Skin set is good for maintenance. Perfect after the rejuvenating set. Please lang po, if you are using products for your skin like the rejuvenating set or the Glass Skin set, do not use it over a month. You have to make your skin relax, allow it to breathe, to avoid lang any skin conditions that might occur because of prolonged use of skincare products. On the first week of using this set, panay po akong late nagsisleep. Bago ko pa siya ginamit, tapos hindi pa 8 hours ang sleep ko. First 2 days of using this one, wala po akong breakout. On the third day na nag-break yun ko nga permentibilar, ang gawas na yun, meron akong pimples na lumabas dito. It's part of my skin. So marami lumabas na pimples because hindi po ako well rested. Meron po akong days na hindi talaga 8 hours ang sleep. Binigyan ko po siya enough time to prove na maganda siya. Ngayon, almost a month na ginagamit ko siya. So, as you can see, wala na po talaga kayo makikitang meron akong pimples dito. To have a perfect glowy skin, you have to have enough sleep. You have to drink lots of water, approximately 2 liters in a day. Your skin really is well hydrated. It gives you lighter complexion. Nilalabas niya po ang mga dead skin mo. It has its natural exfoliating factor. Hindi po siya mahapdi sa mukha. So the toner itself, super light lang talaga siya na parang mild sa skin, walang bango. The soap also hindi mahapdi sa mukha, perfume-like scent. Super mild, super gentle siya sa skin na hindi mo maramdaman na nag-exfoliate ka na. This is micro-peeling. Nabili ko siya ng 348 pesos. If you want to purchase this SY Glow products, you can go directly to the SY Glow TikTok shop, CEO of Pampaputi. And also they have Shopee and Lazada. Just check out their social media accounts. Purchase them on discount and promo items, especially on TikTok shop. That's about it for today's video. Thank you once again for watching. Merry Christmas!